Hello everyone, welcome to another lovely episode from J4X House. This is our first official recording for 2026. And on today's episode, I'm giving you guys insights to Wyckoff analysis. This is Wyckoff breakdown for AUDUSD 2 hours time frame. Now, what you might be seeing on my screen might not look like your original Wyckoff, what you traditionally know as Wyckoff analysis. But what I need you to understand is that Wyckoff is a schematic. When we say a schematic, we mean a breakdown of certain principles. So each of these write-up you see are principles. BC means buying climax, AR means automated rally, secondary test, sign of weakness, SOW, sign of weakness, sign of weakness. Now, what makes this a sign of weakness? Okay, so what we can see here is that there was a buying here. So this is a buying climax, as you can see. Then we had an automated rally. That is, there was no buy, there was no sell. It was just a rally. So this is known as an automated rally. Then we had a secondary test. Up thrust action, sorry. The secondary test happened here. This would be a secondary test. And then another buy again. So this is called an up thrust action. Now, the principles of Wyckoff are something that you have to study to be able to apply Wyckoff on a chart. So there are multiple ebooks we have already created in the past that teaches people how to use Wyckoff. Let's say one of the plans I have for 2026, following our um, Malaysian S&R mentorship that will be coming out very, very soon. So we have two mentorship coming out for this year, which is Wyckoff and Malaysian S&R. This is a quick breakdown to give you insights to what I have for AUD USD 2 hours time frame using Wyckoff method. So now I'm expecting this to be a UTAD to clear out this high to form the UTAD, then a test for price to come drop down to test the premium of this particular range from this high to this low. So this is, I'm expecting price to test the equilibrium level, sorry. I'm just giving you guys this breakdown because we're expecting a Wyckoff mentorship breakdown for 2026. This is my first official recording for 2026. And by the grace of God, before the year ends, we're going to be having a mentorship program on Wyckoff. There's going to also be a mentorship program on Malaysian S&R, as we already have a lot wave already on the platform. We have harmonic patterns, and we also have smart money concepts. But Wyckoff and Malaysian S&R are still missing. This is an analysis breakdown using a distribution. We're currently on a UTAD, and you have to understand that Wyckoff goes into principles. We have a mentorship already for Wyckoff that is already available on YouTube. If you watch the videos, you would see that on that basic breakdown, I gave you guys insights to how to identify these stuffs. Okay, the mentorship that will be coming out in 2026 is not going to be to teach you how to use Wyckoff anymore, but actually to give you analysis like this, like what I'm doing right now. So I'm calling it a mentorship program because this will be the first time I'm using Wyckoff in a way that I will be teaching you guys how to use it on the charts. Okay, so this is going to still be a mentorship program, but it's not going to be labeled as a traditional mentorship like how I will be doing for the Malaysian S&R method. So for those of you who know me as JFX, be ready to receive some massive, massive videos for 2026. So this is an analysis that I'll be sharing with the Telegram community, and be expecting more videos like this in the future. Thank you all, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.